Right, so what we see with QUESTRA and why we're developing QUESTRA in that way is because, of course, the customers are demanding more integration. So it's no longer just about, of course, audio. It's integrating lighting into that installation. It's about integrating video. It's about integrating any other control. If we can lower the blinds, if we can power on the video projector, lower the screen, everything at the same time, and thus maybe with a button, just to trigger a button, or maybe even just trigger an event so that this thing happens every day in the morning and another thing in the afternoon, in the evening. So this is what people are looking for, and this is what we are trying to offer and what we are offering with the latest 1.4 version of QUESTRA. So we are at that point where we try to develop our products by listening to what people need. Of course, that's a trend as well, but we develop it for our customers who come also from the maybe rental part of the story and are entering in this integration market, and that they need also simple solutions for them, but also simple solutions for their end customers. Definitely. So each ISC brings a new version. This year is the 1.4. Last year it was the 1.3. Before that 1.2, and the year before that was the first version 1.1. So each version brings really something new. And this time we're not just showing the new logic and how we integrate third-party controls. We also are introducing our very own first digital matrices, the NMPs, the network matrix processors, NMP8 and NMP32. So finally, you just don't have to use the IPA amplifier for now as the main DSP unit. You can now use also a DSP matrix and use a bigger amplifier, or maybe directly connect them to an active system like Myla, for example. So of course, there are bigger players with similar solutions on the market. We're talking about QSys, for example. We are developing this for 4 years, so we cannot compare ourselves with companies that have been doing this for 10, 20, 30 years. But definitely our customers see a huge potential. They like what they see, but most of all they like when they know that, for example, the simplicity of QUESTRA is that the whole programming, the whole runtime is stored on a single panel, which is the touch panel that we also use to control the system. What the others have is they sell a panel separately and a processor separately, so of course these systems cost also a little more, but there are some installations that you have to do with the bigger systems, but there are many, many small or medium ones that you can do and definitely can do just with QUESTRA. I mean, it's really great, absolutely great, because we have this challenge, and it's a great challenge to bring products on the market that are simple, easy to use, but yet can fulfill everything that our customers are waiting for and are expecting to have, and that it works and gets the job done. So it's definitely a great job and a great company to work for.